Today I'm going to show you a brand new website that I have never mentioned before in this channel, that anyone from anywhere in the world can use it in order to get paid in passive income. It is absolutely free and it pays in different payment options including PayPal. If you want to make this work, make sure to follow every step from this video till the end so you won't end up confused and lost. I'll also show you how you can maximize your results, so stay tuned for that. But before we start, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified whenever we upload a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. And if you love this type of content and you'd like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And the first thing that you need to do is to come over to the first platform for today, since I'll show you multiple platforms, and it's going to be Google. And what you're going to do on Google is to search for different articles or blog posts related to something that you think people will be interested in reading. I've searched about facts about Halloween because Halloween is approaching, so that's why I wanted to find something that's accurate for now. So all you need to do once you search for that is to find a good article and then just open it up. After that you can read it, and if you think it's good enough, you're just going to copy the link up here, copy the URL of it, and then you're going to leave it like this for now because we are going to proceed to the next platform. And that platform is going to be exe.io. As you can see, this is a platform where you can shorten, share and earn money. So the difference between this platform, which is a shorten URL tool, with bit.ly.com for example, is that when people click on your link, you're going to earn money. So if you're wondering why this website is paying you, is because whenever people click on your link, they are going to be first redirected to a page with ads, and then they can skip them and they will go to the main page. And the thing is that this platform makes money from the ad revenue, and they split the ad revenue with you, who is going to be the person that is going to shorten those links. So if you scroll down, you're going to see some of these websites feature. It is not completely free, as you can see. You can set it up in just 3 easy steps, and the low minimum payout is only $3. So once you reach $3 in your account, you can request your payment. They offer the highest rates here, as you can see, and you can also check that out by yourself by going to the payout rates up here. In the next page, you're going to see how you can get, how much money you can get per 1,000 clicks, and if you get clicks from the United States, you can make $8 per 1,000 clicks. If you get your clicks from Canada, you're going to make $7.5, and so on and so forth. You have all these countries listed, and from the other countries, you're going to get paid $3. So this is available worldwide, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video. And if you think that this is not a lot, actually don't worry, because I'm going to show you where you can target thousands of people in order to click on your link so you can make money again and again, and of course in passive income. Down here you're going to see also the payment methods. You're going to see that they offer PayPal, Bitcoin, so also cryptocurrency is available, Payeer, RTM, and also Amazon gift cards, which is amazing. So something else which is very important mentioning are the payment proofs, which proves that this site is 100% legit and is going to get you paid just like other people are doing. You're going to see here that people are getting paid every single minute actually, and they are getting paid through their preferred payment method. You're going to see they are making a lot of money actually, like $100, then $69. So there are a lot of money to be made with this website, and you're going to do the same thing. So all you need to do first of all is to click in the sign up button up here so you can create your account for absolutely free, and in the next page you need to put a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on the register button. After that, you can log into your brand new account. This is going to be your dashboard. Up here you're going to see the available balance, which for now is $0 because I created this account for the purpose of this tutorial. And in order to withdraw your money, you need to go over to the withdrawals button here when you need to put your payment information in order to get paid. You even have the referrals here, so you can refer people and get paid again and again, and you can copy your referral link here. And as you saw at their dashboard, they offer 50% of referral bonus. So in order to get started, you're just going to click on create link up here, and you need to paste a long link here, a URL, and then you're going to just shorten it with this website. And we are going to get the link, to paste the link that we got before from that article. So after that, just going to paste it here and just click on create, and it's going to give you your exe.io shortened link. Just copy it, and now it's time for me to show you where you can find traffic to this link, where you can drive traffic so you can get paid again and again. And the thing is that all of your shortened links will be located in the links section here. So right now I'm going to show you the traffic source for today, which is going to be hercules.com. This is a website where you can advertise any link that you want, anything that you want, to thousands of people daily. And the most important thing is that this is absolutely free. And the way this works is that after you sign up and you create an account on Hercules, you'll be able to set up an email, and then your email is going to be sent to thousands of people daily. And the thing is that you're just going to set it up once, and then you're going to just sit back and enjoy your profits. And you're going to set this this email up by putting your shortened link with it, the one that we got before from this website. And then you're just going to say some facts about your article so people can be interested in clicking it, reading some facts about Halloween, and you can make money by just getting those clicks. So this is the best way to get 100% real traffic, as you can see, and this is a trusted website, and it's also absolutely free, which is very important. The thing is that they also offer a membership, so you can also get a paid account, of course, if you want to target more people. But I highly recommend you do that once you have made some money with the platform that I showed you today. And then if you want to maximize your earnings, you can pay some money here on Hercules, so you can target also more people daily, and you can reinvest just a little portion of that money that you're going to make with exe.io here on Hercules, and you can find even more people to send your shortened link, because you can do this strategy as many times as you want. You can shorten as many links as you want. You can even find some other articles related to interesting thing, or some YouTube videos which you think are very interesting and people are going to click on it. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this strategy, and if you did, don't forget to support us by giving this video a thumbs up and a comment down below, and also subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.